Hello, this is Tao. My topic is constructing nano Memristor array by bottom-up approach for brain-inspired computing. Here is the outline. Information technologies have fundamentally changed the ways of work and life. However, further improving computing efficiency is facing challenge because of physical and architectural limitation. In conventional computer, the memory unit and computing unit are separated, which means the data has to be shuttled between the two units frequently, and it will limit the computing efficiency. To address the problem, the brain-inspired neuromorphic computing is proposed. In this system, the memory unit and computing unit are combined together, and the memristor is used as computing element because the memristor can provide many advantages such as storage density, switching speed, and power consumption. To realize neuromorphic computing, we have to build up the neural network. Currently, the top-down process based on the lithography is the main method to fabricate nanostructures. But this method will sacrifice most of materials, and it will increase production cost. Another method is bottom-up process. We assemble clusters directly to form nanostructure, and this can realize high materials efficiency. To fabricate memristor device, we will use CIGS as active layer because according to our previous work, we find that the CIGS has good prospect on the memristor application. And the patent dielectric thin film is fabricated first, and then we use the electrodeposition to fabricate localized CIGS thin film to realize bottom-up process. And here is the project expectation. We will fabricate a nano memristor array by bottom-up approach, and then we will optimize the device for neuromorphic computing, and finally we will use the neural network to realize neuromorphic computing. Thank you.